Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix left-click deleting files automatically in Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, uninstall keyboard. Second method is open any browser. Type KeyTweak in browser search bar. Install KeyTweak app. Find delete key location. Click disable key, click apply. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.